Continuing to date your type is what's keeping you single. Let me explain. You think that you are dating your physical type of person, but what you are really doing is recognizing the same type of dysfunction through your nervous system. Your nervous system will recognize avoidant behavior long before they actually displaying it. And that little voice that tells you to ignore it could sound a lot like they are nice enough, or they seem friendly enough, or I could grow to love them. But that enough part is what messes you up every time. And assuming that you can find safety in a stranger is what is going to lead you to falling in love with potential. Being able to avoid emotionally unavailable people has very little to do with their behavior and everything to do with what you are feeling. If you are not present with the way that your body responds to inconsistency, then you will fall in love with an avoidant every single time.